Hey guys, Mr. Short Hitter here.
You don't look like a short hitter to me.
Jeff is back. And like I said before, I'm going to keep on keeping on until I take this guy out. So today we're going to play match play, 5 holes. This back 9, we're going to start out on a shorter par 3. And I think today's the day. Stop hooking. Oh man, that went a long way. I got it shot at 133. Just do that 3 more times. Go ball. Go. Down the hill. No. Little short.
It's from being awesome.
Yep. Thank you. Go, 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 go. Oh, you had it. That was not going right, was it? Perfection. Good ball. All right, I have a mud ball here. 139. It's got to miss this tree here. Don't get me, mud. Got me. I hit that ball pretty good too. Stay right. Stay right. All right, good shot. Good. That was just so hard. Yeah, it was just very hard. All right, good birdie. That is pretty good, Jeff. Pretty good. I meant to say very good, very good. 320 to that flag. Well,
320 to the flag?
320 to the flag, yeah. 320, can I hit it past Jeff, guys?
Good ball, too.
Thank you. All right. Sit.
Well.
Thank you. Spinner checker. How far you got?
It said 55.
55, all right.
So, if I do it right, we should land it right about 45.
Okay.
We'll take a big bounce. Take another bounce, and then it'll
Just check. All right.
It should. If I do it right. If I don't, then it won't work. But assuming we're going to do this at 45, all the way back there. Too much.
Nope, that's good.
Too much.
Oh, it just...
It hit the... Yeah, I too deep.
Guys, there's my ball mark. Just released. Bam! I don't like you anymore. Good chip.
Thank you.
Told you I just can't get the speed now with. Good one.
Straight over the tree.
All right. Thank you.
You're right.
Yeah, that's kind of the garden spot where 32 with the slope. Go right. 105. He said, I'm playing through. If we were playing pool, I'd say the deer is trying to shark you.
No, he's trying to ice me. He's trying to ice me. I don't like that.
Fall left. Further left. All right.
We'll go left at all? No?
Mm-mm.
None?
Ah. Close. Good putt. Final hole of this match, and I think Jeff is going to force me to have to make a birdie. Am I up to the task? This is a tough hole to call your birdie on. This guy is relentless. If I keep playing matches against him, one day I will be a good golfer, guys, I think. Either that or I'll quit the game and take up, I don't know, table tennis? I feel good about this though. Little cutty. That was close. That was close. 46 playing 51. Hold on.
Pretty good.
I'll sit.
All right.
And we'll see. 110. Oh, guys, he's going to show me a line. This putt won't be short.
Didn't move at all.
Force extra holes. Do we get more? Gosh darn it.
I thought you had that as soon as you hit it.
I thought I made it too.
5 holes to go, just play 13.